Okay, let's be real for a second. Everyone in America right now is obsessed with two things: making more money and saving more money. And if you're like me, you've probably noticed your old credit card rewards slowly, silently disappearing. Remember those glorious 5% cashback days? Now you're lucky to get 1% on groceries. It feels like the big banks are just laughing all the way to, well, their bank. But what if I told you there's a new secret weapon? A way to put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket every single month just by buying groceries, filling up your gas tank, or grabbing that morning coffee. Forget complex crypto trading. I'm talking about making serious money from your everyday spending, money that traditional banks don't want you to know about. For the last 30 days, I put every major crypto rewards card to the ultimate test: Coinbase, Crypto.com Visa, Gemini credit card, and a few others you might not even have heard of. I spent, I tracked, I compared, and what I found shocked me. Only one of these cards truly delivered on its promises. Only one put hundreds of dollars back in my wallet without hidden fees or frustrating hoops. And today, I'm going to reveal which one it is and exactly how you can start making money today from your regular spending. All right, let's get into the trenches. When it comes to crypto rewards cards in the US, three names dominate the conversation: the Coinbase card, the Crypto.com Visa card, and the Gemini credit card. Each promises big things, but as we all know, promises don't always pay the bills. I treated these cards like a scientific experiment. Every dollar I spent for 30 days, groceries, gas, online shopping, even my subscription services, was split evenly between them. I meticulously tracked the cash back, the fees, and the overall user experience. First up, the Coinbase card. The appeal here is obvious. If you're already on Coinbase, it's seamless. You can spend directly from your crypto balances, and they offer decent cash back in various cryptos. For me, it delivered about 2 to 3% back on average, paid out in a crypto like Stellar Lumens or Dogecoin. The app integration is fantastic, and it felt secure. But there's a catch. You're spending crypto directly, which means every transaction is a taxable event. That's a headache come tax season. Then there's the Crypto.com Visa card. This one is famous for its tiered rewards, offering up to 5% back or even more if you stake their native token CRO. I got about 4% back during my test phase. The rewards were generous and they were paid in CRO, which has potential. However, getting the highest tiers requires staking a significant amount of CRO, which can be a barrier for beginners. Plus, the app can feel a bit cluttered for new users. Finally, the Gemini credit card. This card looked promising, offering 3% back on dining and 1% on everything else, paid in any crypto of your choice. It's a true credit card, not a debit card, which means you're not spending your crypto directly. I found the cashback to be consistent, especially on dining, but for everyday spending outside of restaurants, 1% isn't exactly groundbreaking when compared to the others. The sign-up process was also a bit longer. So, after hundreds of dollars spent and dozens of hours tracking, I started to see a clear winner emerge. One card just felt different. It was simpler, more rewarding, and crucially, it didn't feel like it was trying to trick me with hidden complexities. And the undisputed champion, the one crypto card truly worth your time and your money, especially for everyday Americans looking for real cash back, is the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Card. Now, you might be surprised. BlockFi isn't always the loudest name in the crypto card space, but in my 30-day test, it consistently delivered. Here's why. Pure 1.5% Bitcoin back on everything. No rotating categories, no staking tiers, no complex math. Every single purchase, whether it was my gas, my groceries, or that impulsive online buy, earned me a flat 1.5% cash back paid directly in Bitcoin. This might sound lower than Crypto.com's headline numbers, but remember, there are no hoops, no minimum stakes. It's just clean, simple, consistent Bitcoin back. And with Bitcoin's potential to appreciate, that 1.5% can quickly become 3%, 5%, or even more over time. no annual fee, and no foreign transaction fees. This is huge. Many premium rewards cards sneak in annual fees. BlockFi doesn't. And for those who travel, avoiding foreign transaction fees is a massive bonus. Real credit card, not a debit card. This is a game changer for tax purposes. You're using a credit card, accumulating rewards, and not incurring taxable events with every swipe. This simplifies your financial life dramatically. Security and simplicity. The app is clean, easy to navigate, and linking your bank account is straightforward. BlockFi has robust security protocols, and for peace of mind, it comes with the standard Visa signature benefits. I earned over $150 in Bitcoin in just 30 days from my regular spending simply by using this card. That's money I would have otherwise left on the table with my traditional credit card, or worse, dealt with complex tax implications from a debit card. For the average American looking to tip their toes into crypto, earn passive rewards, and stack sats without the trading stress, the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Card is the undeniable champion. Now, while the BlockFi card was my overall winner for its simplicity and consistent rewards, choosing your best crypto card really depends on your lifestyle. For students and low spenders, if you're just starting, the Coinbase card might still be a decent option if you're already very active on Coinbase and understand the tax implications of spending crypto directly. It's easy to set up. For families and mid-spenders, the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Card shines here. It's consistent, no fees, and the 1.5% Bitcoin back is a fantastic way to passively build a crypto position without thought. For high earners and crypto whales, if you have significant crypto assets and are willing to stake a large amount of CRO, the Crypto.com Visa card can offer the highest percentage cash back. Just be aware of the volatility of CRO and the staking requirements. But regardless of your choice, here are 3 crucial traps to avoid. Hidden fees. Always read the fine print. Some cards have annual fees, inactivity fees, or high foreign transaction fees that eat into your rewards. Volatile rewards. Getting cash back in a super volatile, obscure altcoin might seem exciting, but if that coin crashes, so do your rewards. Stick to major established cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum if possible. Security risks. Use a card from a reputable platform with strong security measures, 2-factor authentication, and FDIC or CIP insurance where applicable. Your money and data are paramount. The era of cheap money from traditional banks is fading, but the era of smart money from crypto rewards is just beginning. You don't need to be a day trader to benefit. You just need the right tool. And after putting them all to the test, the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Card proved to be the most practical, rewarding, and user-friendly option for the everyday American investor looking to put hundreds of dollars back in their pocket. Don't let banks dictate your rewards anymore. If you want to start earning serious crypto cash back on your everyday spending, check out the links in the description below for my top recommended cards. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more simple, practical ways to grow your money. What crypto card are you using? Let me know in the comments.